In this video, I'll show you how to easily delete stickers that you've created on your iPhone running iOS 18. If there's a specific sticker you no longer want to use and would like to remove from your gallery, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone and go to any conversation. It doesn't matter which one. Once you're in a chat, tap the little plus icon on the left side of the screen. A menu will pop up with several options. Now, select Stickers. This will open your sticker gallery. Pay close attention to the second option from the left. That's where you'll find your custom stickers. The first option shows recent stickers, but we need the second option to access the custom sticker library. Once you're in the custom stickers section, long press on the sticker you want to delete. For example, if I no longer want this skeleton sticker, I'll long press on it until the options appears. From there, simply tap Delete, and the sticker will be removed from your gallery. If you want to delete more stickers, just repeat the same steps. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.